When you try to learn a new language, sometimes the most challenging process is speaking. Speaking because nobody has that biggest, okay, those biggest confidence in themselves to believe in their knowledge in English. For example, I'm going to explain my experience in English. Guys, I am not a polyglot guy. I am not that person. I am a person who only trying to learn English, who am trying to enhance his language because English is my second language. But to be honest with you, when I learn this language, I live a lot about bad experience with this language. All about my stage when I was a student, English it was my difficult class because always my classmates they laughed about my pronunciation. They they laughed about my knowledge in this language, and insofar that I hate this language. I hate this language, guys, because in those days my thought about this language is, oh my god, English is the most disgusting language in this world. I don't understand why I can't get this language because my classmates they were excellent students, but they don't speak that language. I don't know nowadays because for a longer time I didn't see them again. But in my case, guys, it's completely different because nowadays I am commitment person. I am confident with my English. I said in my mind, okay, I need to increase my English. I need to speak this language. And well, I proposed that, and nowadays I can speak. Not perfectly, but I can speak. That is the point, guys. But I'm going to give you 3 points very interesting about when you're trying to overcome your fear about speaking. For example, my first scenario when I'm trying to speak this language is thinking about the opinion to other person. Always, guys, I think about it. This person maybe criticize my English, my speaking, because maybe my pronunciation is not good. Maybe because I need to increase my vocabulary, or maybe because my grammar is not good. But well, guys, when I understand that everyone have their life, I don't pay attention then because maybe those person live their life. In my case, I was worried for something stupid because maybe they don't pay attention to me. But my thought, my imagination scenario, because they pay attention to me, stop my enhance in this language. But I understand something. When I change that perspective, whom in this world continue with me or without me. Yes, I understand that. Well, when I change that ship, I continue to learn this language. I continue to speak this language because I don't afraid to make mistake because everyone make mistake. The second point, guys, is very interesting, but sometimes the pronunciation limit a lot of the people to speak because when you're trying to open a communication to other person and that person they don't understand you because maybe they don't follow your message about your opinion or your emotion about something, you feel uncomfortable. Yes, but well, guys, to be honest with you, pronunciation it's important. You need to work this skill in your learning language. Yeah, you need that. But pronunciation don't let or don't allow to stop you when you try to speak your target language, in this case English, because during your process you can enhance your pronunciation. You need to follow your study routine, or you need to add in your study routine, increase your pronunciation. Yes, but don't allow that pronunciation stop your process in speaking this language, because I told you, in my childhood, always my classmates laughing about my pronunciation and create that trauma about me, about this language. But nowadays it's completely different because changed my perspective. I understand, in this case, in my mother language, Spanish, I know people who they don't pronounce correctly certain words. Point number three is forget words. Guys, this is very normal. Forget words is completely normal to me, because when I make my videos and I'm trying to upload these kinds of video and revise my videos, sometimes I say to myself, oh, in this scenario I forget to add in this word, or maybe um yes, I forget the word. This is the point. But well, guys, you need to embrace that. You need to embrace that is completely human. Forget something. Forget words is normal. But you need to find what is the correct scenario or correct yeah, in this moment I forget this word. But well, my point is, you need to find what is the correct activity to support you increase your this scenario about forget words. Maybe you need to repetition. You need to repeat, 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 repeat. That is the key, because repetition helps you to remember older words. Yes, but if you forget words, it's completely normal. Don't allow that forget word stop your process and speak this language or your target language. Don't allow it, because it's not you prolong for longer time your result. You need to believe in yourself. You need to embrace that you and me, we are human. We have that limit, because it's very normal. Forget word, guys, is the beginner. Everyone forget word. I forget word in my mother language. But in this case, when I communicate my message, I'm trying to find another word who connect my structure about my phrase, about my opinion in this moment. You see the example? No, in this moment, I forget the word, but I'm trying to find another word who connect with my message. Yes, that is the point. But the only form or the only way that let you to increase or enhance your English is expose yourself in speak. Is the only way. Expose to yourself, speak, because speak is active. Your brain work quickly, because when someone asks you, you need to respond. You need to give you answer. However, your brain starting work. Yes, is the beautiful scenario when you trying to increase your speaking, because speaking support you to increase your vocabulary, increase your confidence, of course, but the most important, you are able to share your opinion. Okay guys, that's it about this video. I hope these 3 points about overcome my fears in open my mouth made sense with you. Before I made a video where I explain how you can overcome your shame when you are in that scenario where everything is difficult. You live and challenge, you live and struggle in your learning language, but you are able to understand me. Watch this video.